We are going to finish the foldable that is all about regression in the TI-84. Here are the instructions, so we're going to review back over that. I'm not going to require you to plot the scatter plot and the line on the calculator for this, but you now know how to do it, and you can refer back to the front, steps 7 and 8 to do it. So what we're going to do, though, is do example 2. So what I want y'all to do first is clear out the memory on your calculator. So everybody follow along with me. Second plus 7, 1, 2. Clear the memory. It says, as the number of farms has decreased in the United States, the average size of the remaining farms has grown larger, as shown in the table. Here is the year, so we are going to use the year as X. Average acre per farm is Y. We're going to put this into L1 and L2 and do linear regression. We're not going to worry about part A right now. We're going to start with part B, which says find, we're not going to graph, a linear regression equation that models the data. We're going to round to 2 decimal places. So we're going to go to stat, go to edit, and let's put our data into L1 and L2. So this is years. Go ahead and do that. Once you put the data in, I want y'all to double check your numbers. So 1910 should be with 139, 1920, 149, 1940, or 1930, 157, 1940, 175, 1950, 216, 1959, 303, 1969, 390, 1978, 449, 1987, 462, 1997, 487. We want to do the linear regression equation, so go to Stat, over to Calc, down to number 4, which is linear regression. Calculate. We're round into 2 decimal places. So the equation is y equals, it says ax plus b up here. So that means we're going to do 4.7, it says 17. So that third place, 7 makes the 1 go up to a 2. So that's my slope. And then minus 8,926 point, it says 171, so it's going to stay 17. Remember, 5 or more raise a score, 4 or less, let it rest. So that's my equation. Then it asks, what is the correlation coefficient? We didn't get it here. Remember, it's the R value. The reason is because we have to turn on stat diagnostics. So we're going to go to mode, stat diagnostics on. If you don't get the R the first time, it's because you didn't turn on your stat diagnostics. So go, mode is right here, where my finger is. We're going to push mode. We're going to go down, 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 down until we get to stat diagnostics. Turn it on. And then we're going to do linear regression again. And this time, R squared and R will show up, but we only care about R. R squared is not the value we're looking for. We're just going to write down R, rounded to 2 decimal places. So I went ahead and did stat diagnostics. I turned it on. So now I'm going to hit second mode to get out of there. And I'm just going to push enter again because we've already done linear regression. If I push it again, it'll perform that same linear regression again. And so it's 0.964. So it's going to stay 0.96. That 0.96 is a strong positive correlation. Use the model to predict average acres for the year 2001. So the year 2001 would be on the table right here. We want to predict. So what we're going to do is plug in 2001 for x in the equation. So go ahead and put that in the calculator. So average acres. So in 2001, there about 519. We round it, round it up, 119 acres per farm. So we're predicting, so that's why I use the word about. You're going to glue this in the next page in your journal and then complete the assignment.